Did you know that lichens, while often considered plants, like these guys, are not actually plants or animals? They're a symbiotic relationship between a fungi and a chlorophyll-producing partner, which is either cyanobacteria or a green algae. There's also new evidence that suggests a third partner might be involved, which would be a new kind of yeast. The fungus, which cannot produce its own food, provides an anchor, habitat, and collects water and nutrients from the air, while its partner provides fixed carbon through photosynthesis. Lichens attach to their substrate with either rhizines, which use fungal filaments, or a holdfast, which is a central attachment that comes out from the body, which is called a thallus. This means that when attaching to trees or other substrates, they don't gather nutrients. There's over 13,000 species of lichen around the world, with over 3,600 in North America alone. This can be compared to the 62,000 species of vertebrates. Most lichens tend to prefer to grow where there is sufficient light and moisture. They can also survive in unfavorable climate conditions, including Arctic, alpine, and desert climates, by reducing their metabolic activity for an extended period of time. This means that they can become dormant between periods of rain. In an experiment conducted by the European Space Agency, they discovered that lichens have the ability to resist full exposure to space conditions, including harsh UV light. All lichens are split into 3 groups based on their forms and features. First, we have foliose. These are the leaf-like variety. Next, we have crustose. These are the ones that form a flat, crust-like layer on top of rocks. And finally, we have fruticose. These are the ones with beard or tube-like strands that hang from trunks or branches of trees. Lichens can also be grouped by chemical markers or habitat type. Some lichens are endemic, while others have a very wide range. All lichens are sensitive to air pollution and can serve as indicators of air quality. Lichens can grow on a variety of surfaces, including tree bark, dead wood, cleared soil, bare rock, bones, glass, and plastic. Lichens can be eaten by many animals, including deer, mountain goats, and caribou, and can be used as nesting material for birds. Lichens are relatively slow growing and only grow 0.5 millimeters a year. They are considered to be one of the oldest organisms on the planet. Some individuals in Antarctica have estimated ages up to 5,000 years old. Unfortunately, some are critically endangered due to their sensitivity to air pollution, logging, and climate change. Among these are the boreal felt lichen, which are a valuable source of nitrogen in forests. These lichen are being studied as an indicator for the health of their forests. Unfortunately, these lichens have gone extinct in several regions, including New Brunswick, Norway, and Sweden. In Sweden, an attempt was made to protect the last stand of trees that supported these lichen, but due to changes in the microclimate due to clear cutting on nearby property, they all died soon after. Overall, lichens are really understudied, and they have a lot of historical and ecological value. It's really important that we continue to study and research them before we lose our chance to.